Today I'm going to present a fantastic haul of Amazon and Myntra. Hello everyone, I'm Archana Shankar. I'm a designer, stylist and an image consultant, and I'm so happy that you're here today. So if any one of you are new here, I strongly suggest subscribing, and after you've seen this video, if you liked it, please like and share. So let's plunge right in. So today I'm going to show you a few products that I purchased from Amazon and Myntra, and I just want to tell you how beautiful they are. So let's get into the first product. So the first one is a sari. Now this is a Georgette sari, and I just wanted something very plain. I was looking for a plain sari so that I can just mix and match a lot with it. So this sari, as you see, is a plain Georgette sari, but it has got these mirror works, this mirror sequence mirror at the edge throughout the sari, throughout the pallu also. There is nothing separate about the pallu. So this is a very simple sari. At the same time, you can dress it up and dress it down with the kind of sari, with the kind of blouses and the accessories that you wear with it. And this cost just about $5.99, and that's an awesome price for this kind of a sari. The next product is also a sari. Yeah, I am a sari lover, a die-hard sari lover. So this is a sari which is in sort of a synthetic cotta. It looks like a synthetic cotta to me. So this is a, if you can see, it's a tie and dye. The whole sari is done in tie and dye, and it's a nice, beautiful pink and green, and it's got a sort of a block border to it, but that's about it. But it's a very light sari to wear, and this is a very casual, very it sort of gives a very bohemian vibe to the whole thing. And the price of the sari is $749, which again I don't think is a high price for such a beautiful sari. And when I bought this sari, I had a look and I loved the look and I bought it. After I bought it, I found that the fabric is nice, very light. So I also purchased another one, the blue version, the blue and green version of the same, to gift it to my mom. The third one is again a very pretty sari, very simple sari, which is a full striped sari. As you can see, there is a little portion of it which is like blocked, and then the rest of it is striped, and it's got a little very dull sort of a zari at the border. But the fabric is very, very thin. Actually, it is not a pure cotton. It's a mix of cotton and synthetic. So it's got a nice feel to it. It's very, very light fabric. And again, this can be worn. You can dress it up as for formal wear also, because it's striped. It looks very formal. Or you can dress it down by mixing and matching the kind of accessories that you would wear with it. But it's very, very light to wear. And guess what the price is? The price is the best. It's only about around $299. Can you believe it? So seeing the beauty of the sari, I thought I should order one and see, and I like the feel of it, and they have a lot of different colors on the same thing. So the next product from Amazon is a shoe, a walking shoe. Actually, I was my shoes was getting worn out, so I wanted to pick something. Usually when we gently look for a jogging or a walking shoe, you sort of you are so used to buying those big brands like the Nikes or the Reeboks or that kind. So I was also thinking of that, because it needs to be sturdy since you use it in the gym and for walking. But when I was browsing through it, I jumped across this particular brand. The first time I'm hearing this brand. So it's called, I don't know how it's pronounced even, it is Bourge, Borge or Borg, I really don't know. So I thought, might as well give it a try. So this is a pair of shoes, as you can see, and if you remember, these kind of designs have become so common now. It's in so much of trend now. This particular brand also came at a very low price. It was only priced at $659. So the price and the look of it made me just pick it up. I thought, okay, let me just see it, and if I have a problem I can just return it. There's no problem. I picked it up, but I found that it's really, really nice. But one thing I know, this is a very like a sort of a dressy casual sneakers that you can put with other looks. You don't even if you don't use it as a typical walking shoes or a jogging shoes, you could use this as a very smart casual kind of shoes with your other casual looks. Now let's get into the products from Myntra. So the first thing which I want to show is a pair of earrings which I found on the site, and I thought it's extremely pretty. As you can see, I don't know whether you can see this. Yeah, so this is how it looks, and it's got a very pretty color. It's like an aqua blue and a deep blue combination with a lot of pearls on it, and I thought it would be really nice if you can wear it with white or the blues, the greens, maybe even the blacks. The price for this is 359. Again, for that price, the quality is really good. It looks like a good quality product. Next, I want to show you is a neckwear or a chain. So this is something which I've been searching for. I was looking for I've been wanting this multi metal look. So this is something which I found on the site, and it looks really special. As you can see, this is got a little bit of dull gold and silver, and also it's got very unusual shapes. You can see the birds, you can see jhumka there, you can see a lot of pearls. So it's a very unusual, and it's a nice it's quite a statement piece. Again, I feel this particular statement neckwear can be used, just using a monochromatic color like this white or a black or any color for that matter. And since it's a multicolor, you can just blindly just wear this, and that's it. Your look is just sorted off. And the price of this chain is 759, which after I saw the chain, I thought it was not so much, because it's good, nicely made, quite a heavy piece, and a very alternate piece to have. The last but not the least is a white dress. They call it a dress, and I am such a sucker for white. I just love my whites, and so wherever I see white, I just pounce on it. So this is a dress which I picked up. Why I picked up, the reason for this is this has got a nice smart double collar on it, as you can see, which gives it a very formal look. All right, this is sort of a shirt dress, we can call it. It's got a little bit of one button opening here, 3/4 sleeve, and it comes to just below around your calf length. So they call it a dress. So I felt, when I was buying or looking at it, I felt this is a multi-purpose thing, meaning you can actually dress it up to a formal look as a kameez even. You can just wear pencil pants with this, and dress it up to a formal look with the kind of accessories that you would use, and it gives a very formal vibe with the collar too, and also dress it down as a very casual, again bohemian look with the kind of accessories that you can play around with. And the fabric is really nice. It's a beautiful cotton. The price for this is 1349. It is, I feel, a little bit overpriced, but when I saw the quality of the cotton, I thought it's all right. So these are all the products that I have bought, and most of it I love it, and I've been using it, and it's been a good experience. So this is what I wanted to share with you. I hope and believe you've liked this. I will leave the description and the link of all these products down below, so that if you want to go and check it out, you may please check it out. And they sometimes also run discounts on, you might get a further discount on these products. So if you like the video, please like and share, and if anyone of you are not subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this. I shall be with you soon. Signing off, Archana Shankar.